Warren Buffett is widely considered one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. But he's not just a savvy businessman, he's also known for his wit and wisdom. Buffett is famous for his annual shareholder meetings, which draw thousands of investors from around the world. These meetings have become something of a spectacle, with Buffett and his partner Charlie Munger holding court for hours at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at some of Warren Buffett's best quotes and discuss their meaning. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Buffett said this quote during Berkshire Hathaway's 2008 shareholder meeting when he was explaining why the company had purchased a large stake in the investment bank Goldman Sachs. This quote speaks to Buffett's emphasis on understanding the difference between price and value when it comes to investing. Essentially, Buffett believes that investors should focus on the value of an asset rather than its price, and should be willing to pay more for a high-quality asset if it's worth it in the long run. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. This is one of Buffett's most famous quotes, which he has repeated on multiple occasions. He first said it during the 1999 Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting. It emphasizes the importance of risk management in investing and has become a guiding principle for many of Buffett's followers. Essentially, Buffett believes that investors should always be focused on avoiding losses, since it's much harder to recover from a loss than it is to make up for missed gains. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. Buffett often stresses the importance of looking forward rather than dwelling on past successes or failures. He said this quote during the 2003 Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting, emphasizing the importance of not letting past experiences cloud one's judgment about future opportunities. This quote speaks to Buffett's belief in the importance of forward thinking and avoiding the pitfalls of hindsight bias. By focusing on the future, investors can make smarter decisions and avoid the mistakes of the past. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Buffett said this quote during the 2015 Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting when he was discussing the importance of long-term investing. It emphasizes the importance of making smart choices today that will pay off in the future, and has become one of Buffett's most well-known quotes. Overall, the quote serves as a reminder that investing is not just about making money, but about creating value over the long term. It emphasizes the importance of taking a long-term view and making investments that may not pay off immediately, but will provide substantial benefits in the future. Our favorite holding period is forever. Buffett said this quote during the 1988 Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting. It speaks to Buffett's long-term investment philosophy, which emphasizes buying good companies and holding them for many years, even decades. According to Buffett, this approach can generate significant wealth over time. One of the reasons Buffett believes in this strategy is that it allows him to avoid short-term market fluctuations and volatility. And that's a wrap. Buffett's approach has led him to become one of the most successful investors of all time, but his impact goes beyond his own personal wealth. He has inspired countless people to think differently about investing, business, and life in general. So the next time you're faced with a difficult decision or trying to navigate the complexities of the world, remember some of these timeless quotes from Warren Buffett. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Until next time, keep learning and growing.